Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making some roasted sweet potatoes with a sweet chili sauce. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my sweet potato that I already peeled. So what we're going to do is we're going to slice them like this in order for us to roast it, okay? Maybe around this size, okay? So we can roast it. All right, so I'm just going to put it in the bowl here because we're going to season them inside this bowl. All right, so we have our sweet potatoes all cut up. So now what we're going to do is get it seasoned up for roasting, okay? So I'm going to add some olive oil to it here. I'm going to add a lemon garlic seasoning blend that I have here. If you're interested, I will leave a link in the description for it. You can use whatever you want. You can use just salt, black pepper alone if you want. You can use whatever seasoning blend that you like. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add some cinnamon powder to this. Let me just get my cinnamon powder. Right, so I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon powder to it as well. All right, I'm also going to add some pink Himalayan salt to it. I'm going to have to put my hand in there so I can give everybody a massage. Okay, so let me give everybody a massage here. Make sure all the seasonings get on the oil, gets on everybody. Okay. So the star of the show today is going to be our sweet chili sauce, okay? So that's what we're going to be adding to it. Of course, you can put how much or how little do you want. You can smell all the flavors. All right. All right, so guys, this is how it looks. All right, after we have it all seasoned. All right, so let's get our baking tray. So I've lined my baking tray here with parchment paper. Now we're going to arrange our sweet potato with sweet chili sauce on it, like this. I don't think this tray will be able to take any more sweet potatoes, or can it? I do have 2 more sweet potatoes there, but all right, you know what? No, let's just use this as it is. Leave this as is, right? All right, so here we have it, guys. Now I'm going to put the extra seasoning, kind of rub it on it. All right, so we're going to put this in the oven to roast until this is nicely softened and caramelized. Okay, guys, our roasted sweet potato with sweet chili sauce is now completed. The caramelized or the more darkened spots, they tend to taste the best. Be sure to give this one a try. I think I want to try one. Ooh. It's going to be hot. It's hot. I love the almost burnt edges or very crisp edges. It has a sort of sweetness to it that is nice.